welcome back. Welcome to Mr. M's virtual classroom. This is Scratch 3.0 lesson number 2. Let us not waste any more time. Okay, let us continue where we left off from lesson number 1. Alright, for today's lesson, we are going to add in a timer. Okay, what do I mean by adding on a timer? Okay, so you'll be playing this game for about 1 minute, and within that 1 minute you're going to score as much points as you can. Okay, so how do we go about it? If you can still remember, okay, the last lesson we used variable to create a score, and we are going to do the same method. Okay, let us click on variable. Now we are going to create a new one. Click on make variable, and we are going to type in the word timer. Okay, T-I-M-E-R, and then press the OK button, and immediately you will see the timer scoreboard on your screen over here. Okay, so let us go back to sprite number 1. Okay, sprite number 1 is Scratchy the cat. Okay, can you please click on, alright, sprite number 1. So what we are going to do is, alright, before we proceed further, let us just change his name to Scratchy. Okay, how can you do that? Okay, look under sprite over here. Okay, what you can do is just left click on your mouse. Okay, delete sprite number 1 and type in his name. Okay, S-C-R-A-T-C-H-Y. Okay, and then press enter on your keyboard. Okay, now Scratchy have a name. Okay, we can create, alright, a new event, okay, by clicking on event over here. Drag on when the green flag is clicked. Okay, we are going to do something which look like this one. Okay, something which look like the score. Okay, so what we need to do next, click on variable. Okay, bring in set my variable to 0. Okay, change my variable to timer. Okay, since we are going to play this for about 1 minute, this will be in second, so it will be 60. Okay, because 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Okay, next we are going to use the control block over here. Bring in forever. Okay, and you will need to click on variable, bring in change my variable by 1. Okay, left click, hold and drag. Okay, since we want this to change to timer, so change my variable, click on the arrow over here and then choose timer. Okay, so you are going to minus 1, okay, from the 60 second. What you need to do is click here and then type in minus 1. Okay, so what this says is that it will need to minus out 1 second from the timer. Okay, but we are going to need one more line over here. Okay, what you need to do is click on control and then choose wait 1 second. Okay, why wait 1 second? Because it tells you that every second, alright, it will minus out 1 from the timer. Okay, let us see if this works. Okay, let us click on the green flag and try to score as many as we can. Okay, as you can see, the timer is working. all right, it is counting downwards. Okay, from 60 seconds it is counting backwards. All right, now it's 44, 42, 41. Okay, we will see what will happen when it reaches 0. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what happened now? Okay, the timer doesn't stop at 0. Okay, why? Because we did not add in, okay, a line to say that once it reaches 0, it should stop the game. And okay, we will see how much we actually collected. Okay, let us just stop the game. Okay, what we need to do next? All right, over here. Okay, what we can do? Okay, put it right at the bottom. Okay, we are using the if then condition. All right, and we are going to use the operator. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use this one. Okay, if something is equal to 50, okay, that will be the default number, but we are going to change it. Okay, so what we need to do is click on it, hold, drag, and then position it inside here. Okay, so if timer is equal to 0, that should be what is inside here. So what we can do is, let us go to variable. Okay, take in the timer from here, drag it, and then position it here. Okay, and change the 50 to 0. Okay, and what will happen next? We want it to stop. Okay, let us go to control, and we can put as stop all. Okay, again left click, hold, and drag. Okay, let us see if these codes work. Okay, let us click on the green button and try to get the ball. Okay, see how many points can you get within, okay, the 1 minute time frame. Okay, when the timer reaches 0, okay, the game will stop and it will show your score. Okay, so these codes over here is correct. Okay, so next, what can we do? Okay, it won't be fun if the game is a bit silent. Okay, we can put in some audio effect. Alright, so what we can do is, whenever, okay, Scratchy touches the ball, okay, it will play, okay, some sound effect. Where can we look for the sound? To find some sound effect, okay, just go to the sound tab, click on it. Alright, so what you have here is Scratchy's meow. You can try, okay, and listen to it. Yeah, but we are not going to use that. Okay, we are going to find another sound. Okay, click on here and then choose a sound. I'm looking for a sound which is funny, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a search. Okay, I want to find a boing sound, so I will just type in boing, B-O-I-N-G. Okay, and you will be given, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 4 different type of boing. So how do you know which one is the perfect one? Let us just try. Okay, so whenever you position your cursor, or the one which look like your pointing finger, it will make a sound. Okay, I think I love this sound. Okay, so what I can do is just click on it and I will have the sound here. Do you want to try it? I think it's perfect. Alright, so what we can do is we are going to use this inside our code. So let us click again the code tab, okay, and insert the sound. So what you need to do is click on the sound block over here, okay, just choose this, okay, start sound. Where are you going to put it? Okay, we are going to put it somewhere around here. Okay, so click again, drag and drop it. Okay, let us try. Okay, it works. Alright. Okay, what if I want to have, alright, a background sound? Okay, so what I will do is I will create a backdrop. Okay, let us just go to the stage, okay, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Okay, let us just choose a backdrop. Okay, click on choose a backdrop over here. Okay, and I'm going to choose this one, okay, blue sky. Click on it and you will have a backdrop. Okay, while still on your stage, okay, tab over here. Right, what we need to do, we are going to add on a background sound. Okay, so let us just click on sound. Okay, this time around we are going to search something which is looping, which means that it will play over and over again until, okay, the game stop. Alright, so let us just go and find that sound that we want. Okay, choose sound. Okay, choose loops, and then we can try and find the perfect background sound for our game. Okay, I love this sound. Okay, let us just click and immediately it will be there. Okay, so we will not need the pop sound. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. Alright, so click on it and then click on this rubbish bin. Okay, so what I have is the dance around. Okay, of course you can choose your own sound. Okay, but this is what I want to add on as my background music. Okay, let us try. Okay, but I want it to be a bit softer. Alright, so what I can do is I will click on the softer icon over here. I think that's cool. Alright, I think this is perfect for me. Okay, so let's just stop it. Okay, now let us go back to code. Alright, so we are going to make sure that whenever the game starts, okay, the background music will play. Okay, so let us just go to event. Again, when the green flag is clicked. Okay, next we are going to put it under control and forever. Okay, add in the sound. Okay, play down sound until done. Okay, what will happen over here, it will play the whole sound over and over again because we have forever, but we want it to stop whenever, okay, the timer hits 0. Okay, so what we can do is, again, we are going to use control and use the condition. Okay, so let us just bring this and then put it here. If you can see, remember, okay, we are going to use the operator and choose this one. Okay, bring it in Next, we are going to go to variable, because we said that, okay, when the timer is equal to 0, then something will happen. Okay, so we bring in the timer, change this to 0, and then go back to control and put in stop all. Okay, remember it must be under the stage. Okay, so what does this thing say? When you click, alright, it will play the sound forever. Okay, but when the timer is equal to 0, and then the music will stop. Okay, let us try. Okay, as you can see, when the timer reaches 0, okay, the music background will stop and you will see your score here. Alright, well done. Okay, you have created, okay, a game in less than an hour. How good is that? Okay, so I will see you again in lesson 3 and we will create another game. Okay, so see you then. Bye bye.